Ayan, good day mga maangshi. Ayan. Testingin po natin yung nabili kong wireless karaoke speaker. Dalawa po yung mic niya. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang po siya, pero napakalakas po ng speaker na to. Yan, hindi pa po yan naka-full volume. Malakas. Maganda rin po itong pandigalo sa mga bata. Mapapractice nila ang kanilang singing ability. Marami, kahit po sa pag-travel, pwede natin itong dalhin kung saan man tayo gusto pumunta. Dahil po ito ay rechargeable. Rechargeable po yung speaker, rechargeable din po yung ating mic. Wireless po yung mic natin. Okay, try po natin. Testing po natin. Try po tayo ating kumanta. Hindi lang po ako professional singer. Pero excited po ako gamitin ito. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender. Pretend the line too well. My need is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender. A dream in a world of my own. I played a game, but to my shame, you blessed me to grieve all alone. To release the feeling of make-believe, to real what I feel, but my heart can't conceal. Yes, I'm the great pretender, just laughing and gay like a clown. It seemed to be what I'm not, you see. I'm wearing my heart like a crown, pretending that you're still around. Ayan. Kung like po ninyo yan, click nyo lang po yung link niyan para makapurchase kayo. Murang-mura lang po. Okay? Thanks for watching. Happy singing!